I'll begin by talking about California. The threat in California is one of destruction, both financially and physically, to humans, wildlife, and assets by wildfire. The number of wildfires in certain areas of California are increasing both in quantity and intensity. The warm, dry conditions leave these areas susceptible to the fires. The extremely dry conditions from the drought, paired with the type of vegetation and soil found in the area, are a recipe for disaster. The lack of moisture directly affects how easily any fire will be able to spread. The droughts are expected to continue, which means the wildfires will continue too. Less rain is falling, and the average temperature has increased 2 to 3 degrees in the last century. Not much can be done on a fire prevention level to inhibit the fires. The communities will continue to suffer, while the fires continue to threaten them and their property. It may even be the case that people may begin to leave more susceptible areas of California to other places that are less prone to wildfires. The norm has been established, and residents who plan to stay in California must be ready to face these wildfires regularly. Solutions begin with continuing to limit recreational activities that may cause any sparks, which could lead to potential fires. The removal of brush and dead vegetation is also important. Fire prevention teams have been put in place to evaluate those areas that are more likely to have destructive fires, so that those areas can be manipulated in ways to limit the damage or prevent it entirely.